I've got an injured bird here, near the mossy rocks. It's breathing shallowly. Can you send someone immediately?
The tide is still high. We need to hurry.
Agreed. Get the stretcher ready.
Easy now, we're not gonna hurt you. Nice and slow, watch the wing. Easy now. Secure the wings first.
Got it. Be careful with the orange band. We need to flush this thoroughly. Hold tight.
He's stable, but agitated.
How does it look?
It's okay, little one. We're almost done. You're doing so well.
Radius and ulna are compromised. Get me the small splint kit.
Already on it. Holding steady. The carbon fiber is extremely light, so it won't add stress. We'll keep this joint stable for a few weeks and monitor the healing.
The splint is secure. I'm finishing the compression wrap now.
The joint looks stable.
The appetite scores haven't improved since day one.
And the pain response is still inconsistent. I'm worried about its recovery.
Come on now, gentle. In you go. You'll be safe in here.
Whispers of the wind through emerald green. footsteps in silence, life unseen. Fragile breath, a heartbeat new. Through tangled branches, hope appears. Beneath the sky, the earth begins to heal. Every wound, every scar reveals a haven found where the wild can thrive. In the arms of care, they come alive. Tides of struggle, rivers run deep, the jungle weeps, the mountains keep a quiet vow in the rising sun to mend the broken one by one. Hands that cradle, hearts that mend, a cycle reborn, a message to send. The harmony hums, the balance restored, nature's symphony, its final chord. To grow in their return, a promise made, a wildlife's haven, a brighter day.